This is Alex Becker, and hold up, no, I'm not selling you this video. This video is to help you out because I want you to attend this call, and I want to get your $197 worth of attendance-free bonuses as well, and I want to make sure you don't get locked out of this call because you're going to be seeing exactly what you signed up for. We're going to build a $10,000 per month business right in front of you with no investment, no big hard costs, and we're actually going to get profitable on the first day and show you actually how we built a $100,000 per month business in less than 30 days. I know this sounds outrageous. That's why I'm showing all these results to the left of me, and these are the results a lot of people have gotten who've attended this exact same live stream at a prior date. I want you to attend, I want you to be excited, and more importantly, I don't want you to get locked out because there's no replays of this and you don't get your attendance bonuses if you don't attend this. And that's troublesome because we only have a 500 person limit in this room. Other than that, it kind of messes with bandwidth. And so at about 500 people start getting locked out and people start getting frustrated because they can't get their bonuses and they can't see this any other way. So I want to make sure you're able to get this if you're excited about this. So what you need to know is, first off, we open the room up about 15 minutes before we go live. So what you need to understand is if you joined up for this about a few hours or a few days before we go live at the date and time on here, go to your email about 15 minutes before we go live and click this. It will take you back to this page, and there should be an early room join link right below this video. If you're about 20 to 15 minutes out before we go live, that link should already be below here, and you can join the room early, and this ensures you get your attendance bonuses. And you're actually going to see a lot of cool pre-event warm-up training and a little bit of Q&A. I just do live to warm you guys up and actually warm myself up as well. And then finally, like I told you, I want to maximize your experience. And what you need to understand right now is if you're viewing from a mobile phone, look, you can still watch this live event, and if you're not near a desktop right now, it's okay. You're still going to get a ton out of this. But if you have the chance to get to your desktop before we go live, you really need to do that because we have a lot of downloadable files and apps and stuff that don't always work with every sort of mobile phone, and it can get kind of wonky. So if you have the chance right now, go to your computer, go to the email you just signed up with, and click the join links. That's going to ensure that you get on this call for the best possible viewing experience, and you're able to use all the apps and stuff we use throughout this. Now, if you're on a mobile phone and you can't do that, don't worry, you'll still get the attendance bonuses, and that's really all there is to it. What you're going to be seeing live on this call is just us building a $10,000 per month business, again, with no investment, no staff, and we're actually going to get it profitable on day one. And we're going to show you how we've used this process to build a business that did $137,000 in its first 30 days. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to do anything near that, and you're going to be getting the same exact tactics all these people right here are using to get really good results as well. And I want you to drop all your skepticism right now because if you come to this event like that, it's not going to work out. You're not going to be able to take in this information. And so I want to be totally upfront with you. At the end of this event, there is a very special offer. It's only for like a very, very small percentage of the audience. It probably won't apply to you, but there will be an offer that is asking if you want to learn more, if you want to get help with this. That being said, this training is 99% value, and you're going to walk out of this event with your mind blown, and you're going to have a way to have a product, a place to sell that product, and a way to